Ever wondered where your money is truly working hardest for you, especially the cash you're not quite ready to invest in the stock market or tie up in long-term bonds? In today's fast-paced economic landscape, simply letting your cash sit in a low-interest savings account can feel like watching its value slowly erode due to inflation. You're probably thinking, there has to be a better way to park my cash and earn a decent return without taking on significant risk. And you'd be absolutely right. That's where options like money market funds and similar cash management tools come into play. They offer a potential sweet spot, higher yields than traditional savings accounts while maintaining a high degree of safety and liquidity. Today, we're diving deep into one such popular option, the Vanguard Cash Plus account. Specifically, we're going to answer the question that's likely on your mind: what is the current yield on Vanguard Cash Plus? But before we get to the exact number, let's take a step back and understand what Vanguard Cash Plus actually is and why it might be a compelling choice for your short-term cash needs. Vanguard, as many of you know, is a globally recognized investment management company known for its low-cost index funds and its commitment to putting investors first. The Vanguard Cash Plus account is essentially a hybrid account that combines the features of a high-yield savings account with some of the benefits of a brokerage account. It's designed to offer a competitive interest rate on your cash balances while providing easy access to your funds. Think of it as a step up from your regular checking or savings account. While those accounts typically offer very minimal interest, Cash Plus aims to provide a more meaningful return on your idle cash. This can be particularly attractive in times of higher interest rates, like we've been experiencing recently, where the opportunity cost of holding cash in low-yielding accounts becomes more significant. Now, why might someone choose Vanguard Cash Plus over other similar options? Several factors come into play. Firstly, Vanguard's reputation for low fees is a major draw. Unlike some other cash management accounts that might charge various service fees, Vanguard generally keeps costs to a minimum, allowing you to keep more of the returns you earn. Secondly, the integration with Vanguard's broader ecosystem can be a significant advantage for those who already have other investments with the company. It provides a seamless way to manage your cash alongside your brokerage accounts, IRAs, and other investment vehicles. This can simplify your overall financial picture and make it easier to move funds between different accounts when needed. Thirdly, Vanguard Cash Plus typically offers a competitive yield compared to many traditional savings accounts and even some high-yield savings accounts at other institutions. This means your cash has the potential to grow at a faster rate, helping you to stay ahead of inflation and reach your short-term financial goals more quickly. However, it's crucial to understand that Vanguard Cash Plus is not a bank account. Instead, the cash held in the account is typically swept into one or more FDIC-insured banks. This provides a level of security for your deposits, usually up to the standard FDIC insurance limit per participating bank. It's always a good idea to check the specific details of the program to understand the current insurance coverage. So, we've established what Vanguard Cash Plus is and why it might be an attractive option. Now, let's get to the question you've been waiting for: what is the current yield? As of today, Sunday, April 6th, 2025, the current annual percentage yield, APY, offered on the Vanguard Cash Plus account is approximately 5.05%. Yes, you heard that right, over 5%. This is a significantly higher return than what you'd likely find in a traditional savings account, and it's competitive with many other cash management solutions currently available. Now, let's break down what this yield means for you. An APY of 5.05% means that for every $1,000 you have in your Vanguard Cash Plus account, you could earn approximately $50.50 in interest over the course of a year, assuming the rate remains constant and the interest is compounded annually. Of course, the actual interest earned will depend on your average daily balance and how frequently the interest is compounded and credited to your account. Vanguard typically compounds interest daily and credits it to your account monthly, which means you start earning interest on the interest you've already earned. This compounding effect can help your returns grow slightly faster over time. It's important to note that this yield is not guaranteed. Like all interest rates, it can fluctuate based on various economic factors. However, Vanguard aims to provide a consistently competitive yield in line with prevailing market rates for similar low-risk investments. So, how does this 5.05% yield stack up against other options? Compared to traditional savings accounts, which often offer yields in the range of 0.01% to 0.50% or even lower, the Vanguard Cash Plus yield is significantly higher. This means your cash is working much harder for you, potentially generating 10 to 50 times more interest over the same period. When compared to high-yield savings accounts offered by online banks, the Vanguard Cash Plus yield is generally competitive. While some online banks might occasionally offer slightly higher promotional rates, Vanguard's consistent and relatively high yield, coupled with its reputation and integrated platform, makes it a strong contender. Against money market funds, which are another popular option for short-term cash, the Vanguard Cash Plus yield is also generally in the same ballpark. Money market fund yields can fluctuate daily based on the underlying securities they hold, but a 5.05% yield for Cash Plus suggests it's currently offering a very attractive return compared to many money market options. Certificates of deposit, CDs, can sometimes offer higher yields than cash management accounts, but they come with the trade-off of locking your money away for a specific period. If you need easy access to your funds, the liquidity offered by Vanguard Cash Plus can be a significant advantage, even if the yield is slightly lower than some longer-term CDs. Treasury bills, T-bills, are another low-risk option, and their yields are closely watched. Currently, the 5.05% yield on Vanguard Cash Plus is competitive with short-term T-bill rates, while offering the convenience of a cash management account. It's always wise to shop around and compare the yields and features of different cash management options to find the best fit for your individual needs and circumstances. However, the current yield on Vanguard Cash Plus makes it a compelling option for those seeking a higher return on their short-term cash without significant risk or illiquidity. In conclusion, as of today, April 6, 2025, the Vanguard Cash Plus account is offering a very competitive annual percentage yield of approximately 5.05%. This makes it an attractive option for individuals looking to earn a higher return on their short-term cash balances while benefiting from the security of FDIC insurance through the program banks and the convenience of easy access to their funds, all within the low-cost and reputable Vanguard ecosystem. Remember to always verify the latest rates directly on Vanguard's website, as they can change over time. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.